Virat. Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the GS paper 1 men's answer writing preparation. The question number 1. Question number 27. How have different political philosophies and such as the communism and capitalism and the secularism influenced the socio-economically and politically development of the various countries and around the world, and analysis with the help of the situation example approach. In this question and the candidates. In this question, candidate need to the write about how in the communism and the socialism and the capitalism and the influences and the socio-economically and the politically development in various the countries around the world, and the analysis does the development and with example. Introduction का कर रहा खा के इसलिए बेटा मैं अच्छा खाता हूँ. Political philosophies are the ideals and that help us to the understand and the reasons for the actions and taken up and by the peoples and the particulars and courses of the times and which the impacted the global political setups and body. Political philosophy is concerned with the concept and the argument and involved in the political opinion. Many times of the politicals and ideologies and have taken shape over the hundred, out of the which and we will be the discussing some theory, the philosophies and that have the played and the significant role in the modern world and the communism and the socialism and the capitalism. Thus politically and the philosophies and have the him impacted and the society in major the ways and the resulted in the party and historical changes. Historical changes historical changes in the world and capitalism. In other capitalism system, the factories and fuels the economic and the wealthy few owns the factories, and this created and the need for other large numbers of the peoples to work and for the factories owners. In this the environments and the wealthy and few the exploited and the laborers and as and who had to the labors and to live an effect of the capitalism on the society, and the capitalism ensures an economically growth as it's the empowered and both the manufacturers and the consumers and keeps the many in the rotations, and it is the ensures the accessibilities of goods and the services. It are the competition price and help and to improve the standard of living in the countries. Capitalism and paved the ways for LPG reforms in the world and the provided and opportunities and for the labor forces to opt for the global employment and opportunities, and which have the further and the shrunk the global boundaries. America and England and Germany and are the capitalism countries, and there the systems leads to the inequalities and distributions of wealth, and rich get the richer and poor get the poorer. In this system, exploitations of resources and lead to the detrimentals and effect on the environment. The market system and fosters competition that the generally produce the most efficient allocations of resources. In poor capitalism and also the known as the laissez and fair the capitalism, the government role is restricted and to the providings and the enforcing the rule of laws and by which the economics and operated, but it does not and interferes and with the market and laissez fair means let it to in laissez the fairs and capitalism and business and becomes the free to the forms and monopolies and or the oligopolies and which the reduce and competitions. In the laissez-faire, the capitalism and business becomes free to the firms and monopolize or the obligations, and which reduce the competition and thereby the reduce the advancement of capitalism. Instead, the plutocracy is created where the healthy rules the economic for their own the benefits. which climate crisis poses other grave threats to ours, the collective features and missions living the below the poverty line, the economic and the social shocks of the coronavirus pandemic and unemployments and wave the steels and reverberations and gas z and millennials shares they have the grown and increasingly and the disillusioned and with the capitalism and socialism. Socialism is a political and economical ideology and that the beliefs in the publics and ownerships of means of productions and the distributions and based on other plan and the formulated by other central authorities and effected of the socialism on the society and Cuba laws and followed by the socialistics and kind of the economic and this the economic and created other welfare society where all the basic needs of the pupils and food, clothes and the shelters and are fulfilled by the state at the very affordable prices. Providing employment is the state and responsibilities and based on the capabilities, education and skills and this the system and lead to the good development of health sector for the masses in Cuba and provided the health professionals and to the South Americas and all the profits and go to the state and which they utilized and them for the well-being of the society and by providing them and with the free education improving the public health amenities ensuring societies and the security on the security etc socialistics and also the seek also seeks to the nationalize and the monopolies and which the greatly and enrich there's the owners and at the expense of the pupils and however the unlike in the communism and most the smalls or the non essential नॉन एसेंशियल्स एंड इंटरप्राइजेज एंड वुड देखिए तूने कहाँ कर दा यार would remain privately and owners although unlike and the communities and most the socialist and do not advocated and the violences or the force to the achieve and there the economically system. Communism in the layman's terms the communism is the political system in which the communities and owns and the controlled entities like the factories, farms and the services etc in tradings to the trades and everyone qualities and China's and North Korea's and follow the system and but the latter China's and mold it the developed and there the one kind of the communism which should them and the communalism is based on the goal of the eliminating socio-economically class struggles and by the creating a classless and the stateless society in which the everyone shares the benefits of the labors and the community control all the priorities properties and health in communist and nations the difference between the officials and claims and the societal realities is different and the dictators and government control the information and every the sort of communication channel and that cut off the society and from the outer world and although Marx and the Engel believed that the properties and should belongs to the society and they did not really give much and throw to the how and the economics decisions and would be made and the communist and the countries and particularly and Russia and China decided on other centralist and the centralists and the planned economic and commons the economics and others major features of the communist economic and was there the emphasis on the countries and self-reliance and discouraging international trade and investment conclusions. Communism back for the control of the government and across one standard of the productions and other the resources socialism exercise adopt forms of the controlling the state and the capitalism support either free market and overall economic without the involvement of the state and all three the have and the individuals effect on the society as well as the various forms impact the welfare of the society. विराट नीला कौन था?